Good morning, dear students. I will start with chapter 13, Fun with Magnets, and I have completed chapter 15, 16, and today I will start chapter 13, Fun with Magnets. In this chapter, we will discuss about what is the attractive property. It attracts small pieces of iron towards itself, and this is called the attractive property. And what is the directive property? If shaped in the form of needle and when it is suspended freely, it always points in the north-south direction, and this is called the directive property. What is the leading stone? We will discuss about the natural and artificial magnets. What is the natural magnet and what is the artificial magnets? By name you can recognize that a natural magnet, a magnet which occurs naturally and it is not made by any artificial means, is called the natural magnet. And magnetite is the only natural magnet known to man. It is an ore of iron Fe3O4. And what is the artificial magnet? A substance to which properties of the natural magnet are imparted by artificial means is called the artificial magnets. And the magnet made from the steel, cobalt or nickel are called the artificial magnets. Different types of magnets are given on page number 158, and you will take revision of these. And just like given in the diagram 13.5, natural magnet, bar magnet, cylindrical magnet, dumbbell magnet, U-shaped magnet or horseshoe magnet, and magnetic needle. So now we will discuss about what is the magnetic substances. So the substances which are strongly attracted by a magnet or can be converted into a magnet artificially, that is called the magnetic substances. Iron, cobalt, nickel, steel or other alloys of iron, that is a uniform mixture of different metals, are the magnetic substances. And a mixture of ferric oxide, barium oxide is strongly magnetic in the nature, and this is called the ferrite. And this is used for the making very powerful magnet. It is used in the radios and transistors. What is the non-magnetic substances? Substances which are neither attracted by a magnet nor can be converted into artificial magnets are called the non-magnetic substances. Stones, chinaware, glass, wood, paper, brass, aluminium, mica, ebonite, gold, silver are the non-magnetic substances. And what is the magnetic compass? You know that magnetic compass is used in the, or it can find the direction in which their ships or aeroplane is going. So a magnetic compass is a simple device and it is used by the pilots and navigators to find the direction in which their ship or aeroplane is going. So it is used in the find the direction, and it consists of a flat circular aluminum box, and in the base marked that north, south, east, west, north, east, west, northeast, northwest, etc. And from the center rises a sharp needle over which is placed a magnetic needle, and the magnetic needle is completely free to move in any direction, and on the top of the box it is fixed a circular glass plate. By taking up the north pole of the magnetic needle, it can find the given direction. So this is how you can make your own magnet. It is given on page number 161. Magnetizing iron by single touch method. You will take revision, and of this chapter some diagrams are there, and you will take revision the diagrams also, and chapter 13 Fun with Magnets completed.